I think it is because of the realization from both countries that sports is a big nation building tool. It is known, it is being talked about in the world now as the agent for social and economic change. For us here in Fiji, we use sports, and government has been investing a lot in sports because we recognize the benefits it brings to the nation as a whole. For young children, for youth, and building their characters, and especially in the fight that the big fight that we have against NCDs, that is hitting our very young population in Fiji, and I'm sure it is within the Pacific region. This will be the second MOU that Fiji signs as far as sports cooperation is concerned. The first one we signed with Cuba. And as a result of that one, we are trying to get some coaches for volleyball and boxing from Cuba to come over to Fiji and assist our teams. From a MSG perspective, I think this augurs well with the aims and the aspirations of the Melanesian Spearhead Group, where we foster closer cooperation and we grow as a region, as a grouping. This MOU certainly will allow us to share our resources, share our experiences, share our expertise. And when we do that, we grow as a group, grow as a region, and we really enhance the energy and the positive energy that sports brings to both our countries. And thank you again for saying yes and allowing us to have this cooperation under this MOU.
As you said, we met last year in Wallis and Futuna, and Fiji won 20 medals. Vanuatu won only 9 medals. So I spoke to Minister that I would like to come and seek his assistance, because as a Pat Fijian, my father is from Fiji, and as a Minister for Sports in Vanuatu, I believe that Fiji is our big brother, Vanuatu. That's why I asked Minister his assistance, and I thank you, Minister, you were able to meet me, and you accept us to sign this memorandum of agreement. Is for the future of our sportsmen, sportswomen in Vanuatu. I don't have any words to say, just vinakawagaleu to you and your government and the Republic of Fiji and your people. Thank you very much.